Welcome to Oriental Public School Preschool Learning Videos. Today we are going to learn geometric shapes.
Which shape is this? Oval. This is oval shape. Which shape is this? Square. This is square. Do you know this one? Circle. This is circle. Which shape is this? Triangle. This is triangle. Which shape is this? Rectangle. This is rectangle. Do you know this one? Heart. This is heart. Which shape is this? Star. This is star. Do you know this one? Crescent. This is crescent. Which shape is this? Diamond. This is diamond. Which shape is this? Pentagon. This is pentagon. Do you know this one? Hexagon. This is hexagon. Which shape is this? Octagon. This is octagon.
Hope you have learned all the geometric shapes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos.